Merhaba arkadaşlar, Çılgın Türk kanalıma hoş geldiniz. Bugünkü videoda İspanyol arkadaşım Antonio ile birlikte Brezilya'da yağmur altında kızlarla birlikte Öpüşme cezalı 21 oyununu oynayacağız. Bakalım ne tür sonuçlar alacağız. Son birkaç gündür günlük video paylaşımında bulunuyorum. Eğer bu şekilde devam etmemi istiyorsanız bu videoyu likelayalım. Hedef 6000 like. Bir sonraki videoda görüşmek üzere. Pow!
¿Cómo te llamas?
Daniel.
Daniela. ¿Cómo tú estás? ¿Todo bien?
Sí.
¿Sí? Vale, let's speak in English. I have a really quick challenge for you, okay? We're gonna play 21 days. And if I win the game, we got to kiss. And if you win the game, you can slap me as hard as you want, okay? Okay, you want me to start or you want to start?
I start.
You start? Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6,
7, 8,
9, 10,
11, 12,
13, 9, 13,
14, 15, 16.
17,
19, 20. 21, huh? So you know the deal, huh?
Wow, it's raining. Sao Paulo, full of rain. I always wanted to play this game under the rain. So let's go with a Brazilian girl. I'm gonna try and test out my Brazilian a bit, yeah? I mean Portuguese.
Okay.
Yeah, but help me out, help me out. How do you say how are you?
Como você está?
How do you say what's your name?
Qual é o seu nome?
Qual é o seu nome?
Tosca, e o seu?
Barry, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Dobre dia, no.
Obrigado.
Obrigado! Yeah. Tudo bem?
Tudo bem, e você?
Tudo bem? Yes. Okay, let's leave the Portuguese. My Portuguese kind of weak, innit? Let's go back to English, innit? You know a bit of English, right? Okay, little bit.
A little bit.
Un poquito.
Pouquinho.
Un poquito. Okay. Yeah, so basically we're gonna play a little game called 21. Have you ever heard of this game? 21?
No.
No. So you guys don't play in Brazil. It's like a counting game between you and me, up to 21. You only have to say maximum 3 numbers. Yeah? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. So whoever lands on 21 loses. So your aim is to make me say 21. If I say 21, I lose and you get to slap me. Slap me, like slap the shit out of me as hard as you want. I've never been slapped. Maybe Brazil is the time. Brazil is the place for me to get slapped. I've been to a couple of countries, played this game all over Europe, but never been slapped, yeah? So you might be slapping me as a Brazilian girl. Let's see. But only if you win, innit? I'm the best at this game. So, but if I win, so if you say 21, we get to kiss. Beijo.
Beijo.
Jugar un jogo por un beijo. Did I say it right, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, so, but buen beijo. So a good kiss. Are you a good kisser?
Yes.
Really?
Really?
Why? How come you're so confident? Did you kiss a lot of guys or something?
Yes.
You have?
Yes.
Shit. Maybe I shouldn't play this game with you, huh? What that mouth do, though? Anyways. Alright then, let's start. Do you want me to start or do you want to start counting?
You.
Okay. 1,
2,
3, 4,
5, 6,
7, 8,
9, 10,
11, 12,
13, 14,
15, 16,
17, 18,
19, 20.
21.
Yeah. 21, yeah. So you lose. You acting like you didn't understand the game. But so what can we do? Like you lost in it, so we just might as well do it then, innit? Go for it, go for the kiss. Send over there at the office for me. Let's go.